Go outside. Big time forward. Yeah. To mix up in drama, to go outside. To mix up in drama, to free my mind.
So, it is now 12:57, July 29th, the day after Adonia done party. We're headed to go get breakfast, and then we're gonna go to the all-white party, which is at 2 o'clock. We're gonna go like at 4. And then in the night, we're gonna go to Yash, which is like a 90s theme party. So, I think someone over here. You know, my fat ass back in here again. We about to go to the pool, and I won't be bringing my camera, so I'm gonna try to record some stuff from my iPhone 7 Plus. So let's see how that goes. That away.
Watch out now. Go on, bad girl. Yes, show them now. All right then. One of the here we go now. Jump, 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 jump. Here we go now. Watch out now. Back it down. Back it down. Here we go now. Twist, twist, jump, jump. Whoa! Yes, here we go now. All right then. Here we go now. Yes, 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 yes. Stop, 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 stop the music.
Bodyguards on deck. Me too.
Oh, so I wasn't bugging them.
They probably was drunk here. On our way to the all-white party. We are out. Private pool.
Taking this picture. You got to take this picture right here. You know? Oh my god.
Are you saving that one? Sell my life, sell my life. Yeah, this one. Oh, that one? Okay, no. Are you saving that?
You like to see me win?
Okay, I'll let you finish that first.
We're in the bus waiting to go to Wonderland Grill for this white party. If you don't have me on Snap, add me on Snap now. It's gonna be at the bottom of the screen.
Come on, we'll show a lap.
Because everyone on Snap is hitting me up about vlogs
Show a lap,
for Jamaica. You wanna sing wedding?
Wow, the magic that happened on the bus.
You look real pretty. You know I'm a drinker to be ordering. Get anything for me. Oh, let me get one. Let me go pick again.
Yeah, cheers.
3 African and Pepsi. I get it. I get it.
2017. I don't want no sense for the new year.
Success plus if you can't tell no one party can get him back.
We're not going there about two niggas gonna kill him.
We're going to check them. People not giving up, watching up pocket. Check it. But people, this is dream weekend. I want to know on Saturday night. Normally I work them time here with that day work. I want with that day work to watching.
New level.
Everybody put up your friend on here now. If you're friend come from school days, if you're real friend, if you're different friend, put up your friend.
Make sure you have 5.
Remember, bring the phone and go up the rounds. Let your find a phone, get it done. All the people party now. Party now, right? Party now.
Me not trust people. Me not trust people. Me not trust people. Fucking I'm in traffic for like 2 hours. It's dark as shit. I don't know if they can see me. Yeah. Jerk chicken, oxtail, and rice and peas. Remind me to go in here before taking to my kid was gonna remind me I always forget. After being in 2 hours of traffic, why is it so dark? Hold on. After being in 2 hours of traffic, we got the food from the hotel. I'm about to go change and go to Yash, which is a beachwear type of party. It's like a 90s throwback party. Matthew fat as fuck. Fatty. So we out. Back in the room, back in the room, back in the room, back in the room. Matthew's been watching Cartoon Network. I wanted to change my eye makeup, but I'm gonna keep it and just wear like this to Yash. Probably with like a dark lip, like Anastasia Beverly Hills potion. But let me go find something to wear, so. This again, my 2 bodyguards. On our way to Yash, did a complete outfit change. So, you leaving me? What'd you say, Matthew? In the mid-mornings we go take a dip in the pool? When we come back? No? I'm already in a bikini, I could jump in. This camera looks foggy. It's a pool party. It is foggy. Sorry, guys. Alright, talk to y'all at the party.
these years, me I play reggae music and dancehall, you know. You think me I already come up, boy? All of the old see this night, these people.
Well, I've been through hills and valleys.
I survive out on the old gangsta alley.
We're finally home. And I'm in bed and I'm super tired. Like, I'm so tired, so I'm about to end this video here. Deuces. We're about to go to the Wet n Wild party at Cool Runnings Water Park. I'm not gonna bring my camera because I don't want it to get messed up, so I'll try to record on my iPhone a few clips. I know I'll be snapping, so I'll probably use some of that. So I'll talk to y'all when y'all talk to y'all, but this is my outfit. About to leave the room so they could clean it. So bye guys.
What's that thing?
Ladies, I want to see you on the west side right now. Let's see what's on one. I said, oh gosh.
I got them in the keys of my diamonds don't shine when the lights go. You and I take a ride down the boulevard, and your friends really wanna break us apart. Good Lord. Good God, she's staring in my camera while I'm hopping out of spaceship. Shoot your information till it keeps it up. Who keeps bringing more? I had to
going still. And a drought here. The party name Giant Chill. The party name Wet and Wild. So if you're not working,
Everybody, you know, start rocking them side to side.
It's a nice sunny evening, a cool afternoon. Early as to work, no nobody.
Everybody, that from you and you take.
Down and joke around and act a fool.
What is that?
Let's play dominoes to this thing.
Take it.
I love college, but I'm going to the beach. Money in my pocket, so I know I have to reach. Call a couple of
You know the only part of Wet and Wild, no?
them rolling out them top. Them dancing style, all out there, like it.
What the fuck is that different?
When a bad sound clear, we say pull it up back.
Hey! I want my friend there. What is it? Listen! Knock it full of people.
You hear me? We don't take cartel of fans from across the world. Our people watch the water and the mic. We don't know how much people up there, right? So all of the Vybz Kartel fans, them here, they say free world boss. Big up Bounty Killer, remember see him send him go road. Make sure when Cartel part come and can sing it. Run it back again. Watch out now.
Ishawna was watered off the stage because of her equal rights. A moment that threatened to end the event prematurely. And after pleading with the audience, Ishawna returned, but without a working mic, which was damaged due to the water.
Went to the hotel and just got dressed and I'm here. The woman them come out for me. Yes, so all of the man them were vexed, babe.
On our way to World Vibes, all black party. Come on, let's go.
This is building 2. Mine is building 3 and the next one behind me is building 4.
Now I see what's going on.
What?
I think all of the lower beds or the double beds on the lower floor.
Yo, Peter, this pool feels so good. You don't even know.
Backwards head.
Yeah, it's bad dark.
They violated the whole stage. They said, I had a feeling something like that was gonna happen. Yeah.
I didn't expect it to happen like that to Ishawna.
I expected it to happen.
Like, I know they bunning out, but I didn't think they was gonna act like that now.
Don't do that. People, calm down. Don't do that, Chipper. This is ready. We want to run though. Anybody can expect anything. Them say World Vibes, right? And them say Clash Rogue One. Them say hardcore juggling. But nobody in our car ready in there. I love that. Show me the front now. On Flex TV, World Vibes, stand up. Get up on my child, man.
Yeah, but they broke though. And when it's on a pop, they have no shit. Yeah, I'm pretty, but I'm low. The loud got me moving.
People gonna show me how to play, man. I'm the boy can set up a career actually. Nick will be born and grow. But the Central is about now play the body sound on the planet. Ready it. If a boy don't like that, find them down his cliff and shock off of that. Afraid of a jump up on the island. I love Jamaica, we dance alone. When the man go dance alone, Jamaica, put your gun in the ear.
Boy, they want to freeze our kids like we even got the good ladies from me. She don't feel bad, from your neck like
So I didn't get to end the vlog yesterday because I was last night because I was too turned. So we're on our way to Rick's Cafe. And then we're gonna go to a party later. So I decided to Detroit. In order for us to even go to Rick's Cafe, I had to like get up, brush my teeth, throw some clothes, and be out because we was knocked. We overslept again. All this partying is crazy. Shrimp and conch splitters. It's Friday night. So we in the supermarket. This is some TMI, but Mother Nature supposed to hit me before I go back up to my trip, and I forgot my U-Bike Kotex tampons. Those are the best tampons, and I don't got it. So, Igloo is tomorrow, so Matthew's buying some liquor in the Igloo, and we left Peter. It was nice and it started raining. The food is good, but service is kind of bad and it wasn't even that busy. Well, it wasn't busy at all, not even that busy, but my voice sounds so terrible because it's going away, and I hope it comes back. Where's Matthew? So we're heading to was it Celebrity Playgrounds, Matthew? Celebrity Playgrounds, red and white. I'm not gonna bring my camera because I'm tired of bringing it, so I'll try to record more footage on my iPhone 7. So I'll see y'all when I see y'all, and sorry for my voice, it's going away. So yeah, later.
We go now. What the people left from Toronto
We're going to team up people in the building. The artists travel from far and there. Tristan.
Dark, so you can't see me, and I plan for you guys not to see me, but it's 6 o'clock in the morning and we just came from Twisted Spirits, which is like a pajama party. So I recorded a few shots on my phone and I guess I put it in the vlog. But otherwise than that, I'm tired. And now it's, what, Tuesday? August 2nd, our last day here. So I'm about to go to bed and I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. I look dread, but we're about to head to the pool. I need like a pool drink right now. My ass getting ready. I look extra super dread. So yeah, about to get breakfast, then head to the pool. You bright as shit outside.
No sign of his estranged wife or Timothy.
I need to figure out what's going on. I called Amy's cell phone.
Oh yeah, but link y'all later.
Just tell me if you find this call me. What's going on?
So it's now 9:52, and I look dread. That's because I fell asleep with Matthew because he was drunk. Frost, whatever you want to call it. So we ended up going to Juve. I mean, not Juve, Igloo. So Peter went ahead and went without us with his roommate. So now I'm here considering if I should really get this hair and some paint, but now I think I'm not gonna go. And I feel like it's a waste of money that we missed one party and now we're about to miss two. But, you know, we was a little turned, so at least we had fun. We about to go to the pool and get something to eat because Matthew was still kind of hungry. His Frost ass. I'm loving my nails, sorry, like, these nails are fire. But yeah, I'm out. It's around 11:35, 36, 37, I don't know. It's 30 something, I know it's past 35. But we're fixing up our room, we're about to leave. The dream weekend is over. You know, next year is a must, VIP is a must. It's our first year, but not our last. So, this is the end of the vlog. I didn't even get to do a room tour. So, yeah. Bye, guys. On the bus, on my way to Port Antonio. I thought the vlog was done. It's not.